If I'm gonna see this, I don't know what me up to no good. I wanna know what me I gonna do. Pause the video and comment what you think me I gonna use a tape and just do. No cheating. Pause the video and comment it. Anyways, let's just jump right into the video. Babe? What you do? What you watch?
Yeah. That's when you do in there, it's not so.
You get enough rest?
Nothing.
Okay. Just finish it.
I can't hear you, then say it.
We just finished though.
How long you get to buy the camera now?
Did you see the light? Wait, sorry, we can turn on the light?
Yeah, yeah.
Just want to see you.
So you can't see me like that.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Oh, God. What was I saying now? Have you watched the movie today?
If you are going to suggest the movie. Okay.
You know, I want to try something.
Watch out.
So, you know, how I love what you have already. It's wool. I mean, it's perfect, babe. I love it. Really love it. You know I love it, right?
Yeah, where I come with this?
You know I love it, right?
Yes.
Exactly. But,
Where am I back here?
babe, you see me something behind me?
Yeah, I reveal it.
Alright, let me just get to the point then.
Okay.
So I love what you have, but I want to see if you meet the criteria. So I want to measure it.
Oh.
Babe, I want to measure it, please. So I know it's good at everything, but I just want to see if you have where you have. Like, I want to see if you know me as a babe.
No.
I want to see if you want me see. So I see something on the internet and I want to see if you meet the criteria.
So, where you see on the internet first?
I don't want to say.
You go on Twitter and you can measure it up in mine.
Oh, you know so I go up on Twitter.
No, me see, me have a Twitter account, me see it in their trend. So I tell us I'm going to take up your measure. So after 6 years, you just have to check if mine long enough.
Babe, it's good for me, but I want to see if you really can match up to them.
Match up to what?
When we see it. Alright.
Yeah, actually, you know, said really and truly no woman don't need to measure a man thing. If you and him do something, if you and him never do nothing that different.
Babe, it's not, let me tell you, it's not a matter about the size or what the person can do.
Yeah.
But all I'm saying is that I want to see if yours
Yours what?
blessed as them.
Blessed as who?
What I saw.
So you compare me?
I'm not comparing you, babe.
What you do?
I just want to see for myself because I have a tape measure and I want to
You
see.
want what you see in the video?
But don't want what me see
You
in
want
the
what
video.
you see in the video?
Eh? Mr. E?
So you smile and I
Mr. E?
Okay, let me see you.
I mean, it's bouncy.
No, come on. Not disturb me. Come out.
Alright, let me measure it and come
No.
on. Why I can't measure
No.
it? Are you scared? Are you scared that you're not as blessed?
As who?
That's what I saw.
What me I compare myself to man for? Tell me the truth. Not going to deflate my ego when it comes to that nothing a bit.
No, babe, it can't do nothing to you because you know so you're blessed. But me want to see if you're as blessed.
Why you trying to measure my blessing? Now that me I try to get at.
Alright, let me make you bounce. Let me see.
Me know I'm not bounce.
Make you bounce.
Lift me alone. Can you see
Make
now?
you bounce, baby.
Yeah, but I said, yes, we did so peaceful, right? Let's sit down there.
Alright, come.
Babe, excuse me.
Babe, I'm just gonna measure it once.
No.
I'm going to measure
Okay, I
it.
know if you do put it.
Alright, can you estimate?
Yeah, 2 things that we do. We measure what you see on Twitter with the tape measure. And also we put up the tape measure. You know what tape measure used to do?
Measure stuff. That's why I want to measure you.
I 1 inch and I need to measure nothing. Yes, close.
Yeah, but my kids like me, show me dinner getting on really good.
Which trade?
I'm matter of fact, I don't know the measurement in a real life. Let me
When
go
you
the
know it?
measurement.
When you know it?
Let me see measurement for true. Please. Alright, babe. It's good and it's a good size, but I want to know the measurement.
Why do you need to know it? I'm not insecure you know, but this just not make no sense.
Because I would want to know.
What you gonna do? Tell your friend them say me.
Babe, it's my money. I want to know what is being inserted.
I tell your friend
How
tell somebody
big
what
it
inch
is.
me have.
No, why would I do that?
God, that would be smart.
That's
at all.
crazy.
That would be smart at all.
It wouldn't be smart and that's crazy.
So why you want to measure
And I'm
it?
gonna-
You know already have it inside your millions of times. Why that will change?
I want to know what is being inserted in me.
What do you
It
mean by
can
what
damage
is?
me. It can damage me.
No, but now you should do one more and kiss in your side.
You have a recommendation for how big you must be.
You know what's something like that? Or what you need for me to pass, by the way?
For me,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter the size. 1 second.
So why you measure it for?
Because I would just want to know it with my one purpose. Like, I just want to know what me I deal with. What am I dealing
You know,
with?
the social media gonna make you wonder when you start jump off.
What am I dealing with, babe? Let me see.
You know,
Let me
you know,
see.
you should be ashamed. When you're in the 6 year, you can't guess how much me have on the tape measure. You have to come put it aside and to measure.
Alright, show me what you think.
Bro, you can't sit down in the moment now. Who do that?
Show me what you think it is. Show me what you think it is, baby.
You know, say, you may say turn off the light out, you go and watch Papa and watch man. And stop sitting and think of plans in your head because I not comply.
That's wild though for that on the internet. When me see it, me shock. Me not even there look feet, me just see it pop up like bam.
And baby, you know, say you never hear me say me watch it now. Two times I did and it a trail and it come up right on the news feed.
Babe, come around, what do you
Yeah, enjoy, excuse me.
Babe, let's show me. Let me do it myself.
Babe, excuse
Come,
me.
turn over.
Yeah, just stop. What, stop woman angling. Yeah,
So you're afraid.
what me afraid for?
So let me see it.
We're not having no fun for a man. I think I try to say no.
So what you're trying to do?
Fun, babe. You see your mind gone, you see your face light up. You see your face light up.
What you're trying to do?
Babe, we
Talk
not
your mind now.
I miss the phone with me like
Talk your
Richard.
mind, a razor.
Baby, honey.
Yeah.
No, let's see, man. Let's see, man. Never rest it to it. Alright, let's give me 10 more minutes.
You show me what you want to do with.
And this is a show I'm telling her, feel and hell, you know.
You can't rhyme though. I will teach you English.
I'm an artist.
Yeah, but a simple maths, you show me what you do with too, you know.
Babe. Where are you going with your measure? Where are you going with
Let
your
me, I'm going to use the tape measure. Let me measure it.
But with what?
Me. My hand.
Yeah, I want to tell you if you measure it.
Your little finger now 1
I want
inch.
to tell you if you measure it, you know what you're going to buy.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It is a prank. Okay? Have a nice day.
Alright. What's so mad you say most of it?
All along it was a prank.
So now I measure it now.
Can still measure it.
Without this. We made me wife measure it.
No, avoid me. Avoid me. Guys, I was scrolling through the internet and me just book you up, bam.
If I'm a timeline, I can't see nothing else other than eat the post.
Yeah, every meme when me scroll past, it I talk about that. So most of you probably know what me I say, but there is this post that was made by one of my favorite female artists as well. So everybody just make memes, and them really funny. Me not like everyone I'm read, really funny. To be honest, it no matter the size, once I know how to work it. just know how to work it, know how to use it. I don't have no problem. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.